going to do now is quickly, guys, 2 minutes into the class and you've already started annotating on the screen. Okay, what we are going to do now is you are going to quickly tell me what is a proper noun. So we're just going to do a very quick revision and you're going to quickly tell me what is proper noun and give me 2 examples of proper noun. Please raise your hand and I'm going to come to you and I'm going to unmute you quickly. Okay, what is a proper noun? We have done this, guys. You should know this. Proper noun. Yes, Mantasha. I'm going to unmute you. Yes, go ahead, Mantasha.
टीचर जैसे कि मुंबई का एक अक्खा नाम है, पर्सनल नाम है मुंबई का,
Personal
उसको बोलेंगे प्रॉपर नाउन.
Amazing. All right. So you gave me a good example. That is Mumbai. Mumbai is a proper noun. Okay. Can you define in your own words what is a proper noun? Like it's, yeah. जैसे आपने कहा कि उसका एक पर्सनल है नाम. So can you define it? Is there anybody like Mumbai?
Yes.
Yes, there are a lot of Mumbais. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. No. Correct. Yes, Mantasha. There is only one Mumbai. So proper noun is something that does not have a similar thing present, like you said. Okay, good understanding. That means you're understanding. Amazing. Thank you so much for that lovely example. Okay. Proper noun. So anybody who's gonna tell me what is a common noun? Common noun. Quickly, guys. Come on. You can also fill in the chat box. You can personally message Didi. All right. If you know what is a common noun and you want to share it in the large group. What is a common noun? Come on, guys. Quickly. Common noun. Mantasha has again raised her hand. Common noun. What is a common noun? Okay, I can see somebody has sent me a chat. Yes, Faizan, we have just started now. We are revising, okay? Tell me what is a common noun. Common noun. Okay, Sabah, you have raised your hand. I'm going to give you a chance to answer. I'm going to quickly unmute you. All right? Yes, Sabah, I've unmuted you.
Teacher, common noun is animal, place or thing, general thing like boy, girl, dog, country.
Amazing, perfect. Thank you so much. That's a perfect answer. You were very specific. Those are general things, okay, like cat, dog, and what else did you say? You gave one more example that Didi forgot, but good. That's the perfect answer. Good job, Faizan. Next time you have to send it to me in a personal chat, okay? Good job, guys. All right. Now we are going to concrete noun. Concrete noun. Something that we have done. Concrete noun, guys. Concrete noun. Falak, do you want to answer this one? Falak, I have unmuted you. Yes. Falak, you have to unmute yourself. Or you can type it in the chat and send it to Didi. Either of the two. Concrete noun, guys. We have done this before. Yes, Sabah.
कॉन्क्रीट नाउन होता है जिसको अपन स्मेल कर सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं और टेस्ट.
Amazing.
Like
Anything that
train, dog.
Good job, Sabah. Good job, Faizan. Your answer is correct. Anything that we can see, feel, smell, hear, and taste. Okay. So you guys are right. All right. I can hear someone. Samya, do we want to mute that person?
Hi.
Okay. All right.
दीदी
Now the good job, Shifa. Concrete noun is something that we can see, hear, smell, touch, or taste. That's correct answer. All right. Now abstract. Abstract noun. Abstract noun. Something that we have done before as well. Guys, quickly, okay? This is a revision. We need to do this quickly. Abstract. Last time दीदी ने कराया था ये. I know this is your second time doing it, guys. Go through your notes. See what is an abstract noun. Give me an example. Okay, Adit, do you want to answer? Yes, Adit, I'm unmuting you. No, you don't want to answer. Does anybody else wants to answer? Mantusha, you're raising your hand. Yes, Mantusha. Huzef is also raising his hand. Yes, Huzef.
दीदी collective noun means refer to a group of people, animals or things.
Amazing. Thank you so much for reading this one. But I'm asking about abstract noun, जो हमने last time किए थे. Abstract noun. Go through your notes and tell me what is an abstract noun.
As an abstract noun is a noun which refer to ideas, quantities, qualities, and conjunction.
Very good. Okay, ideas that refer to, sorry, abstract noun is ideas. Okay,
Yes.
feeling, qualities. Okay, this is abstract noun. Okay, you guys, Shifa, Faizan, good job. Sabah, good job. You are giving me the right answers on the chat. Good job, Huzef. All right. Okay. Okay. Faizan, you've already given me an example. Honest and love, those two are abstract noun. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to do collective noun. Okay, so what is collective noun? You guys can see my screen. In 2 seconds, you'll be able to see my screen. Okay, can you guys see my screen? Adit, you are on my this thing, so if you give me a thumbs up, I know that you can see my screen. All right, thank you so much, Adit. Okay, so collective noun. Okay, guys, listening time now, and you're going to repeat after Didi. All right, I'm looking at your screen, so I want everybody, your lips should be moving, and you should be repeating after Didi. All right, collective noun refers to. Good job. Collective noun refers to a group of people, animals, or things. Amazing. All right. Okay. Example, audience. Misbah, you have to repeat after Didi. Example, audience, government, and team. Yes, Suzef, what happened?
No, Didi.
Okay, you were raising your hand, Baba. All right, okay. Okay. So, anything that is referred to in a group, a group of people, a group of animal, a group of anything, okay, जो साथ में होता है together in a group is referred to as collective noun. Okay, कोई भी चीज अगर साथ में होती है together in a group, it is known as collective noun. Okay, example audience together in a group. Okay, उसके बाद में a bunch together in a group. Collection बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ में. All right, so those are called team. Together, a lot of people coming together as a group. उसको बोलते हैं collective noun. Okay. Now, what you're going to do? 2 minutes of writing time, guys. Quickly, you're going to write this thing down on your book. In your book, quickly, you're going to write this down. You're going to look at the screen. Whatever's written on the screen, you're going to quickly write down. Your time starts now. Once you're done, you have to give Didi a thumbs up. Okay, good job, Sabah. I can see Sabah has already started writing. Habib, you need to start writing, Baba. Done already? Wow, that was quick. I can see Shifa writing. For those of you who I can't see, I believe you've started writing.
I think Mantisha is raising her hand since a long time.
Okay. Sorry, Mantisha. Didi couldn't see you on the screen. Yes, Mantisha. Oh, she's giving us a thumbs up. Okay, that means you're done. Amazing. Thank you so much, Mantisha. I hope Nosheen is also done. Adit, are you raising your hand or are you done writing?
टीचर लिखने का है?
Yes, लिखना है. ये कॉपी करना है. Okay? अपनी नोटबुक में. Thank you so much, Habib. Faizan, you have to start it on a new page. All right, guys, we'll come back in the next 45 seconds, okay? Yes, Habib, you're raising your hand. Do you have a doubt? Yes, Habib.
मिस पहला वो है, पहला पेज है?
नहीं, लास्ट टाइम हम लोग ने कौन सा वाला किया था? फोर्थ नाउन किया था. आज
नहीं,
है
मिस.
फिफ्थ नाउन.
मिस,
सॉरी,
ये जो कलेक्टिव नाउन का है
और उसका पहला पेज है.
यस.
ओके. Yes, Sujat, I'm coming to you. Yes, tell me.
दीदी ये आप ग्रुप पे भेज देंगे?
Yes, I will also send this on the group.
Okay.
Okay, but don't forget to write. Okay, guys, more 10 seconds. All right. Okay. Does anybody want to summarize what is a collective noun? Collective noun in your own language, you have to tell me collective noun क्या होता है. अभी दीदी ने बताया था. You can still see it on your screen, but I want you to tell me what have you understood. What is a collective noun? Quickly, and then we will move on to solving the question. Everybody pens down, eyes on Didi. Yes, Shabista, you're raising your hand. I'm going to give you a chance to answer. Yes, Shabista. Hello. Yes, Shabista. Soumya, can you hear me?
I can. I think Shabista's voice is not coming. Must be problem for her from her end.
Yeah. Shabista, can you please type it in personal chat and send it to Didi? Didi will read aloud to everybody, okay? Okay, guys. Anybody else who wants to answer? क्या होता है collective noun? Yes, Shifan. So sorry, I couldn't see you. Yes.
The collective noun is that the group of people or animal or things that call a collective noun.
Amazing. Good job. Okay. So what now we are going to do is, yes, Sabha, thank you. That was the correct answer. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to quickly solve these questions. The first one is, does anybody want to read it loud for Didi? Anybody? First question. Huzef, you want to? Okay. Unmuting you, Huzef. Tell me.
Two rabbits underline the collective nouns in the following sentence. Two
Good
rabbits
job.
are being chasing by a pack
Are being
chased
yes.
by a patch of wolf.
Good job. Good job. All right. Two rabbits are being chased by a pack of wolves. What do we have to do? We first have to underline the collective noun. Okay. So from the first sentence, which is a collective noun? Which one is a collective noun? Shabista, thank you so much for answering. That was the correct answer. Yeah. Okay, guys. From the first sentence, which is the collective noun? Yes, Faizan. That's the correct answer. Guys, fastest finger. Either you send it to Didi, what's the right answer? Either you raise your hand. Okay. Yes, Habib.
Miss, pack
Yeah,
of wolves.
correct. Pack of wolves. Okay, you can also underline pack because pack का मतलब होता है group. Okay, pack. Those of you have said two rabbits. It has to be more than two people. Also, it has to be one word. It's mostly going to be one word. ठीक है? Two rabbit is two words. Pack is one word और pack का मतलब होता है when a lot of wolves come together as a group. Okay. We'll try. It's okay. We'll make mistakes, but we'll come to the final answer at some point. Okay. Second one. A hive of bees always has a queen bee. A hive of bee always has a queen bee. Fastest finger, guys. Either you type it in the chat box, either you raise your hand. Good job, Faizan. Second वाले का आंसर क्या है? Anybody? Good job, Saba. Good job, Shabista. But only one word, Shabista. Either bees or hive. One word. Which one would you choose? Bees. Shabista, a group. Group. Bees are plural, but it's not a group. Okay. Okay. Guys, you are giving me the right answers. लेकिन तुम दो answers दे रहे हो. Hive of bees, which is correct. लेकिन if you have to choose one word, it's going to be hive. Okay. How many of you are understanding? Give me a thumbs up because Didi is not able to understand whether you guys are understanding or you are a little bit confused. Okay, Huzef is saying he's understanding. If you're okay, Shifa is understanding. Khushi has also understood. Amazing. Okay, Faizan has understood. Zara has understood. Okay, all right. I'm guessing you guys are taking. Guys, send me in personal chat. Okay, don't send it on the group. Second one. Sahil helped me in washing the pile of dishes.
Arzu, that tick tick thing is happening. Your voice is not coming properly.
Okay, okay. I'll try to do something. Samir, can you pick the third one with the kids? I'll be back.
Okay. I'll take the third
Yeah.
one.
Thank you.
Um, Guys, who can read the third sentence for Didi? Who wants to read the third sentence for Didi? Shabista is raising her hand. Yes, Shabista. Read the third sentence. I cannot hear you, Shabista. Anybody else wants to read the third sentence for me? Guys, if you can hear me properly, please give me a thumbs up. If you can hear me properly, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, a lot of you can hear me. Amazing. Yes, Zed, you want to read the third sentence for Didi?
Sahil helped me in washing the pile of dishes.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Zed. Sahil helped me washing the pile of dishes. We will all take 30 seconds and underline. Very good, Faizan. Thank you very much. We will underline the collective noun. Someone is texting me, they are not understanding. Collective noun is one word which tells us about a group of things, people, or animals. For example, pack of wolves, hive of bees. Okay, so hive and pack are collective nouns. Very good, Shabista. Very good, Faizan. Guys are giving me correct answer on the chat. If you want to come off mute and answer, that is also amazing. Amazing, Shabista. Amazing, Saba. Amazing, Faizan. Adit, you want to say something? Yes, Adit.
टीचर लिखने का है
Didi will tell you, okay, when it's writing time. Right now, you have to just tell Didi what is the collective noun, okay? Yes, Mantisha, what is the collective noun here? Hello, Mantisha, can you hear me? You were raising your hand, Baba. Unmute and speak. Arzu, did you fix the...
Yeah.
Okay,
I was just
amazing.
waiting
Okay, I think you can take
for
from
you
here.
to finish. Can you hear me?
Yes. I think you can take from here.
Okay, amazing. Yes. Okay, so we got done with the third one, right? Okay. Did we answer everybody? Did we underline an answer?
Very good,
Yeah.
Khushi. Very good, Adit. They have privately messaged me the answer. Guys, amazing. Okay, you guys are doing very, very well. Amazing.
Good job, guys. Thank you so much, Soumya Didi. All right. So we'll move on to the fourth one. Guys, does anybody want to read this one for Didi? Okay, amazing. Habib is raising his hand. Okay, Habib, go ahead. Good job, Falak.
I brought a branch of grapes for the spicy.
No. Look
Fine.
carefully.
Fancy.
I see.
PIC. Spice. Nice. Pick. Nice.
Pick.
Pick.
PIC अगर pick होगा तो NIC क्या होगा? Very good. So picnic. All right. Good job, Habib. Picnic. Okay. Now can you read the sentence again in one?
I brought a branch of grapes for the picnic.
I bought a bunch of grapes for the picnic. Thank you so much, Habib. Well done. Okay. Take 10 seconds, guys, and quickly underline what do you think, or you can send it to me in personal chat. Good job, Faizan, Falak, Sabah, Huzef. Good job. Okay. All right. For those of you who haven't answered, you can raise your hand. Didi will come to you. Or I. Good job, Khushi. Amazing. Guys, please send your answers in private messages. Okay. Shifa, group of things, Baba. Group of things. Yes, good job, Shifa. Yes. All right. So most of you have answered on the personal chat. The answer is bunch. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take 20 seconds and sorry, not 20 seconds. 2 minutes. Writing time is on. You're going to take 2 minutes and quickly write all of this down that we have just discussed. Take 2 minutes. Your time starts now. 2 minutes. You're going to quickly write everything down. Okay. Adit, we have to write this down. Okay. Good job, Habib. I can see Habib has already started writing. Good job, Zara. The answer is right. Good job, Huzef. Good job, Khushi. Good job, Shifa. Amazing, Afreen. I can see all of you are already writing. The ones who I cannot see, I believe and I hope that you are writing this down. Good job, Adit. Falak, I think you have raised your hand. Didi is coming to you in a second. Yes, Falak. Tell me.
Didi, nothing happened.
Okay. All right. Vivek, you are raising your hand. Didi is coming to you in next 1 second. Oh, you're done. Okay, sorry. You're done. All right. Good job. Okay, Shabista is done too. Amazing. Faizan is also done. Wow, you guys are quick. All right, we'll take one more minute to quickly finish this off. Today's answer for pre-work, I'm going to send as soon as we are done with the class, okay? Yes, Faizan. All right, Shifa, thank you so much. Shifa is done writing. Good job, Falak. Good job, Habib. Okay, Zed, you're raising your hand. Yes, Zed. I've unmuted you. Tell me.
Didi, now is my sister's class. Can I leave?
What's the time? So you can't stay back for more 20 minutes, Zed.
No, Didi, it's urgent. दीदी 2:30 की क्लास थी 10 मिनट लेट हो चुका है.
Okay, ठीक है. Can you do me one thing? Can you Zed get in contact with either Huzef or Habib or any of your friend who is present in the class today and take notes from them? क्या ईरम जोया नया ईरम जोया क्लास में नहीं है.
Zed, you can also watch the video on YouTube. Okay, Didi will put the video on YouTube. You can watch that. Okay.
I'll send you the number. I'll send you the number. Okay, Zed, you can leave. It's okay. Bye, Baba. All right, guys. More 10 seconds, and then we are going to move on. We are going to move ahead. All right. Amazing. Most of you are done. All right, we will quickly move ahead. Okay. So 5 types के noun हमने आज देखे अब तक, and that was common, proper, concrete, abstract, and collective. All right. What I want you to do is, now we are going to do sentences where there is going to be a mix of everything. You have to identify whether it's a common noun, a proper noun, a concrete noun, abstract, या तो collective. All right. All right. Mantasha went to see Nosheen to borrow her science book. The first and the
Also,
second.
have you changed the screen, because I can see the same collective noun wala screen?
Yeah, I've changed the screen. You can't see.
No.
Wait, I'll share the screen again. Ajit has raised his hand but is not answering. Okay, Habib. इसमें noun कौन से है?
टीचर
I want you to answer. Yes, yes,
Mantasha
yes, yes.
टीचर
Science book. All right. Yes, yes, Adil.
चार्ट बुक पे भेज दे
Chat box पे भेजना. Okay, okay. Wait, one second. Machine noun which and common noun. Proper. All right. Yes, book can also be a concrete noun. That's good. Okay, you can touch it. All right. You can see it. You can see it. So it can also be a concrete noun. Good job, guys. Okay. Next, the Australian. Sorry, anybody who wants to read this one for me? Read this one for me. Khushi, I want you to read this one for me. Khushi, I'm unmuting you. You have to read this one for me. Khushi, unmute yourself. Mic का button दबाओ. Yes, Shifa. Read.
Didi, the
हाँ.
the Australian tourists love seeing a Fosa elephant.
Joseph's elephant. Okay. So tell me, इसके अंदर which are nouns? Which are 2 or 3 nouns that you can identify? Yes, Shabista. Shabista, I am unmuting you, but I can't hear you, Baba. Yes, Joseph. Yes, Joseph.
Joseph elephant.
Joseph and elephant. Ayush, Joseph is क्या? Proper noun, common noun,
Proper noun.
and elephant.
Elephant is proper noun.
Okay. And is there any other noun?
No, Didi.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Good job, Zef, but there is also one more noun. So the two nouns that you guessed right, there is one more noun.
Can I give the answer?
Who's this? Sabah. Huzef is not a common noun, it's a proper noun. It's a name of a person, animal, or a thing. So it's a proper noun. Okay, Sabah? Okay. Faizan has already answered this question and he's also raising his hand. I'm going to give this one to Faizan. Yes, Faizan, I'm unmuting you. Answer.
Australian tourists. Huzef.
Australian. Australian
Elephant.
is what? A proper noun or a common noun?
Australian have elephant are proven and
Amazing.
loved are abstract noun.
Good job, guys. You are killing it. Okay, amazing. Now, what you're going to do is quickly take 2 minutes and write down these two first and two, okay, in your notebooks. You're going to take. Sorry, I got mute. Quickly write this down in your notebook. Your time starts now. Only the first and the second words along with the answer. Okay. So, for example, the first one is Mantasha and Nosheen. So you will write Mantasha and Nosheen dash pronoun like that. Okay. Science will be proper noun. Be concrete noun. यहाँ पे देखो सब spelling भी common, proper, concrete. Okay. Start writing. Amazing. Habib, I can writing. I can see Shifa writing. Huda writing. I can see. For those of you who can't see, I hope that you can. Soumya, were you on my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. I've also started recording. Also, time check. It's 2:50.
2:50.
Yes.
No? Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Guys, 1 minute more, okay? 1 minute left. Seconds more. If you're done, you have to give me a thumbs up so Didi knows that you're done. Okay, Aniket is done. Thank you so much for sharing, Aniket. Sorry, thank you so much for Australia is a common noun. No, Habib, Australian is a proper noun. It's a name of a place, Baba. So it's a proper noun. We only have to write answer. No, you have to write question and answer both. That's why I give you 2 minutes. No. Amazing. Okay, Habib is done. Aniket is done. Rest of you, I'm waiting. Joseph, are you done? Shifa, are you done? Quickly write it down. Faizan is okay. Shifa is done. Come on, guys. Mehak, Mustaqim, Vivek, I haven't heard anything from you guys. Afreen, haven't heard anything from you guys. Are you done or no? Give me a thumbs up if you are. Okay, Mustaqim is done. Okay. Misbah is done. Okay, chalo. Let's come back. Yes, it's a proper noun because it's a name of an animal. Okay? All right. The third, the fourth, and the fifth one, you are going to now do it on your own. Okay? So third, fourth, and fifth one, you are going to start doing on your own now, and then we will discuss the answer. Your time starts now. You're going to do it on your own in your book. लिखना है, क्वेश्चन भी लिखना है, उसके नीचे आंसर भी लिखना है. यस आदित्य?
कितने बजे खत्म होगा टीचर?
3 बजे क्लास खत्म होगा, 10 मिनट और है. आदित्य, all right guys, 3 more, the third, the fourth, and the fifth one, you are going to do it on your own. Write the question and then write the answer. You have 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Good job, Shifa. Good job, Habib. Good job, Maruf. I can see that you guys are writing. Good job, Joseph. The ones who are, Joseph, Maruf, you have a question? Yes, Maruf.
मिस व्हाट्सएप पे भेजेगी जो आज करे?
हाँ, भेजूंगी. आपने लिखा नहीं है?
नो मिस, मैं अभी ज्वाइन किया.
ओके ओके, आई विल सेंड इट. ओके मारू, थर्ड, फोर्थ और फिफ्थ का क्वेश्चन जल्दी से लिख दो और उसका आंसर करो, ट्राई करो गेस करने की. ओके Good job, Vivek. I can see Vivek is writing as well. For the ones who I cannot see, please, I hope you guys are writing, okay? थर्ड, फोर्थ और फिफ्थ का क्वेश्चन लिखना है और आंसर ट्राई करने की, गेस करने की ट्राई करना है. Maruf, do you still have a doubt? आपका हैंड रेज है. यस मारू.
नो मिस पहले से ही
ओके ओके ओके. Mispa, class is going to end in the next 5 minutes. If you are done, you have to give me a thumbs up because we are going to discuss the answer in the next 20 seconds. Yes, yes, Mispa. We'll try to finish by 3:05. Okay, Habib is done. Misbah, Khushi, Sabah, Mustaqim, Mehak, Shabista. You guys have to tell me, are you done or you're still writing? What is it? Okay, amazing. All right. I think most of you guys are done. Okay. So we are going to start discussing now. All right. Everybody come back in 5, 4. Okay, Shabista is still writing. Guys, how many of you are still writing? Vivek, are you done? Okay, Huzef is still writing. Shabista is still writing. Guys, only the 3rd, 4th, and 5th one. Okay. Okay, Shabista is done. Huzef, are you done? Okay, Shifa, are you done? Okay. Chalo, we'll start now. Okay, who's gonna read the 3rd sentence for me? Quickly read the 3rd sentence. I'm going to ask. She, I'm unmuting you. 3rd sentence, read loud for Didi. Yes, Kush, can hear you.
Some of Sahil's friends went to Kashmir for holidays.
Amazing. Kushi, do you want to answer this question? Yeah, Kushi?
Didi, I do not return.
You do not? Okay. All right. Adit? Yes, Adit. What is Sahil?
Name.
Okay, so it will come in the proper noun or common noun?
Proper.
Very good. Okay, what else?
Holiday.
Okay. What is holiday?
Common.
Okay. Is there another noun in the sentence?
Friend.
Okay. All right. Friend is a which noun?
Proper.
Proper noun.
No.
Then think, Adit. I'll come back to you. Okay. Think, Adit. अगर proper noun नहीं है तो कौन सा noun होगा? I can see a lot of you are typing. It's okay, Aniket. You can leave. Your battery is too low. It's leave. It is going to sit in the class group. Okay. All right. Who's F? The third one. Is there any other now?
Didi, please.
Okay. It is what, a proper noun or a
Proper noun.
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much, Joseph. All right, Joseph. So Sahil and Kashmir are proper noun. Okay. Holiday and friends, like you said, are. Holiday is a name. Holiday is a common noun. No, it's not a proper noun, Joseph. No. Okay, it's not specific name of a person, animal, thing, so it's not. Okay. Next, the fourth one. Does anybody want to read this for Didi? Maruf, can you read the fourth one out loud? Yes, Maruf. Fourth वाला question read करोगे? मारू, दीदी आपको सुन सकते हैं. Fourth वाला, can you read it for दीदी? No? जोर से. No? Yes, Habib. Yes, Habib. And
Miss, the friendship between Shifa and her cat and her heart warming.
Okay, harming. Okay. So इसमें a noun.
Yes,
Which is a noun in this one?
Shifa.
Okay,
Shifa.
amazing. Shifa is a which kind of noun?
Proper noun.
Amazing. And any other else?
Friendship.
Yes. Friendship is a
Proper noun.
friendship is a proper noun.
No. Common noun and cat.
No,
is a-
friendship is not a common noun.
Look, Miss, ABSTRS. Abstract.
Yes. Good job.
Abstract
Abstract noun. Good job. और कोई noun है इधर?
Cat.
Cat. Okay. What kind of a noun is a cat?
Proper noun.
A proper noun. Amazing. All right. Okay. Anything else that you guys have in mind?
Heart. Warming. Heartwarming.
What this could be?
Common noun.
No. Any other different
Abstract.
kind of abstract? Okay. Good job. Yes. All right. Okay. So far, good job. Well done, Habib. All right. What we are going to do is the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th one. You're going to do it as a homework. Didi is going to share this slide as a post for you. Each and every one of you, I want to see these 8 questions and their answers as your post work by the end of today. Okay? What you're going to do, you are going to send me 1 से लेके 8 तक के questions और answers. I'm going to slide on the group. This post work you have to make sure to do. जिसके पहले की slide नहीं है भी वो भी डाले पे, so that the ones who don't have a slide, previous slide, they have it. Okay. I'm unmuting you all and you have to tell me. Okay. Will you all be able to do it? Complete it?
Yes.
Samya, we can
Yes.
stop the recording.